Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about DialMyCalls' brand new feature, Variable Messaging. DialMyCalls now offers the ability to use message variables when sending out a text message broadcast. Once logged into your account, click on New Broadcast to get started. Select the Text Broadcast option and click on Next. You will now want to select the contacts that your variable text message will be sent to. Once you have selected your contacts, click Next. You are now on the text message portion of the setup process. From the drop-down menu, select your free toll-free number that every account receives when they sign up. Next, we are going to enable text message variables. At the bottom of your screen, click on Add Variables into your messages. Once the pop-up window appears, click on Try Variable Messaging to continue. You will now have the option to personalize your text message broadcast. By default, there will be 5 variables that you can use: last name, first name, phone, email, and miscellaneous. These variables will pull the information directly from your contacts within DialMyCalls. For this video, we are going to create a personalized text message using the first name and last name variables. You can now send a text to all of your contacts at once, and each of them will have the recipient's first and last name. Once you have typed out your text message using the new variables, click on Next. You now have the option to send your broadcast immediately, schedule it for a later date and time, or set up a recurring message that will go out weekly or monthly. For this text broadcast, we are going to select Send Now and click on Next. Look over the details of your text message to ensure all of the information is correct. Once reviewed, click Send Broadcast Now to proceed. That's it! You have just sent out your first text message using our brand new variable messaging feature. You can now click on the Reports tab and click on Text next to the broadcast you just sent out to view the detailed report of every single message. Here is a preview of what your text message looks like when delivered to your recipients. Variable messaging adds the first name and last name into your text message. Now that we have sent out our first text message broadcast with variables, let's take a more in-depth dive on how you can add up to 10 additional variables to use to send out personalized texts. Once you are back on the home screen, click on Contacts and you will see a menu option to the right. Click on the menu icon and click Edit Columns. You will now see the 5 default variables that are available. To add another message variable, click on Add Column. Type the name of your variable and then click Next. We are adding in date so we can put in custom dates for our customers when sending out messages. This is perfect for sending out appointment reminders. Once you are done with the name, click on Save. You have now added a new message variable into your DialMyCalls account. To see it in action, click on New Broadcast, select Text, and then click Next. Go through the broadcast process again by selecting your contacts that will receive the text message and click Next. You will now notice that under the Message to be Sent box that your new variable is now available to be added into your text message. Keep in mind that you can have a total of 15 text message variables in your account, including the 5 default variables. Thank you for joining us on our variable messaging video today. If you have any questions, please contact us toll-free at 800-928-2086 or send one of our account managers an email to sales@dialmycalls.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.